then.
I will try it now again. If it takes the same long time, then it would be great if you could create new one.
Yeah. I'll be creating that then. Just give me confirmation whether it is working or what. Okay.
Okay, sure.
Yeah, that's right. So in last session, I mean on day 3, we talked about what exactly users is, why user concept is there, why group concept is there. We talked about number of different roles, right? Then we talked about impersonate role. So do you remember that why that impersonate role is there?
Yes, to check the other user's access, like how the app is working in the other user account.
Exactly. Yeah, and whenever we are doing any customization, how that customization is behaving with the other's user ID. For that, we have impersonator role. So thereafter, we talked about security admin role, right?
Yes.
So why is that?
Security admin role have some more credentials compared with the norm admin user to modify or change any security related.
Yeah, high security setting. We call it high security setting, and that particular role is for particular session, not for whole.
Yeah, for the once you log out, the session will vanish.
Yes.
Like the permissions will vanish.
Yeah. So and
more than that.
Go ahead.
Sorry, my instance is working.
Oh, it's working. Congratulations.
Yeah, I'm surprised. When I copy the link, it suddenly started.
So it might be something related to your IP or something like that. Okay, that's fine. It is working, so it's a good news. So you can go ahead and do that. So I gave you one assignment, right?
Assignment?
Yeah, that taste management and all.
Yes.
So have you done that?
But I failed in that assignment.
Oh my God, that's fine. Let me tell you. Let me tell you how to do that.
No, actually I didn't. I was busy with other things, so I couldn't get time.
Okay, that's fine. So you need to try actually, because we are showing how to do that. We are discussing how we can implement that and all, right? So it's just a discussion. So,
after
so
this
you
session,
need to implement that. So if you are implementing, then and then only you will be having hands-on experience, and then only you can go ahead and implement those things in your organization, right? So it's better if you try those stuffs on your instance that which is working now, right? Yeah. Okay. So do you want me to talk about that thing, like what is application, what is model? We talked about that already, right? So
yes, I'm clear about the concepts that you already explained.
So you understood. I mean, I gave you one assignment based on those concepts, right? So you can I mean, without any help, you can implement those steps, right?
I hope I can.
Okay, that's fine. You'll do that. Okay, so let's start with the day 4. Today we are going to talk about what is tables, then fields, then types of fields, attributes, and how to design form. Okay.
Okay.
So let me open my instance. Okay, let's open your instance only. Could you please tell me your that instance number?
Dev 15672.
15672. It's a Shiva's. This is Shiva's instance. So Shiva A is a user ID, and what's the password? Shiva123, right?
Yes, Shiva1234.
Shiva123. So it's working now. Okay, so as I told you, today we are going to talk about, oh my God, I haven't given you admin role. I was talking about one thing, right? Like that rules and all.
Yes.
And during our module and application session, I told you whenever we are mentioning any role, then and then only you will see the applications under your left navigation, and the self-service is the only application which will be available for the end user. End user in the
Okay.
sense the user who don't have any access, right?
Okay. Yeah.
So same thing is happening here. Like for your user ID, I haven't given any password a role, right? That's why you could see only two applications here, like self-service and my app.
Why you
So you
didn't
don't.
tell me?
Yeah, we'll give you now. We'll give you.
Okay.
Yeah. So just one moment. Let me log out and
Mhm.
let me log in with your admin role. Admin, and what was the password, man? Service. I forgot that password. Yeah. What was that?
Is that your password or my one?
Admin. It used to be
Service at the rate 99 or service now at 123?
at 123. Yeah.
Capital S?
Okay. Oh yeah, you remember. Great. Okay. So
No, actually,
uh-huh.
no, I was just wrote in a notepad.
Okay, that's fine. So I was talking about roles also, right?
Yes.
Roles in the sense if you want to define some hierarchy in your instance, like that one person who should have this access, other person should have different access, you can define that using different roles, right? So
Yes.
it's like your organizational roles, that number of different people's roles, and according to those roles, they may differ with the access, right? Similar
Yes.
concept is here with the roles. Okay.
Okay.
And I was talked about this container, right, where you can see plus button, and if you want to add any content, you can do that. We talked about this, right? Everything.
Yes, yes. The home pages we can switch the home pages from the right side panel and global search and application search.
And what is this?
On and off,
Yeah.
it's like reloading the page, giving the time frame, like how much at what time it should reload, quick reload.
Okay, yeah, that's fine. So you remember all those steps. Okay, so let's start with the tables first. Then
Okay.
I was talking about interrelation between application model and table, right?
Yes.
So what is that?
Table to module, module to application. Application should contain a module and module should contain a table.
Yeah.
Table should contain data.
Yes. Yeah, you remember everything, right? Okay. So let's start with the creation of table. Okay.
Okay.
Other let's implement your assignment here. At the end of this session, I'll give you another assignment. So I was talking about you need to create which management, ticket management, right? So
Yes.
application name will be ticket management. Your
Mm-hmm.
your model name will be ticket creator.
Okay.
Okay, and you should have some table, right, where you can save all those records. I mean, whatever the
Yes.
tickets you are creating, those should be saved in some particular table, right? So
Yes.
we are going to create one table,
Mm-hmm.
which will have a name called ticket. Okay,
Okay.
and we are going to add some fields in that, like ticket number will be there. Okay, so ticket
Okay.
number will be there, ticket from will be there, from to fields will be there, and which will
Mm-hmm.
contain some values which will be drop downs. Okay, we are going to
Okay.
add one date field also there, like on which day you want to travel,
Mm-hmm.
and we are going to add name field there, and
Okay.
similarly, what else you want?
Name, contact,
Sorry?
contact, email.
Yeah, contact email. So we can add those stuffs. So let's so what should be my first step? You tell me.
Under system definitions, we should create a table.
I should create one application first. Then I should create table, right? Then thereafter I should create one. I should design that form first. Then I'll create one module to create that ticket, right?
Okay.
So that should be the flow. Whenever you are creating any custom application, then you should follow this path. Like you should create one application, then you should define one table. Okay. And after defining that table, you should design your form, like how your form would see to the users and all. Okay. And thereafter you should define your module so that you can show different links under your application, and by using those links, user can use your module and all. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So let's create one application. So from where we should create application?
Under system definition.
So application. For that I need to search in left navigation, and the system definition I'll be having application menu option,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Once I click that, it will show up what are the application available in my system. So now I want to create one new application, right? So I'll be hitting on new button, and I'm going to create one ticket management. Okay, management. Okay, so it will create one application, right? Which will be ticket management. So so tell me the significance of this role. What it will do?
Ticket management will means this application can be accessed by a specified person.
Yeah. If you specify role here, then that application will be visible to the person whoever whoever having those roles. Okay. Otherwise, if you are not giving any role, then that application will be visible to end user also. Okay. Yeah. So as you are creating this application, so it will count under category of custom application. So you can see when I'm hovering here on some of the applications.
Yeah, we can see the predicted test, like.
Yeah. So you can enter here like under hint, like ticket. Welcome to ticket management. Welcome to. Or whatever you want to do. Okay. So I just hit on create button. Now oh my god, I should have told one more feature before this. Okay, that's fine. Okay, let me talk about another one concept. I forgot that to tell you. I called update set. Okay, before creating any updates or anything, you should define one update set. I was talking about that update set, right? Like it's whenever you will be doing your development work in your dev environment, right? So what you want to do, you want to move that particular dev work to other instance, like your production, or which might be your test instance, right? For that you require some container. Then that container will nothing but your update set. Okay. Whenever you are doing any customization, those updates should captured in your own update set. Otherwise, it will be captured in default update set. Okay. And according to standard and the recommendation of Servicenow, you should have your own update set. You should not touch your default update set. So you could see on clicking on this gear button under update set, the by default update set has been selected, right?
Yes.
But according to recommendation and the standard of Servicenow, you should create your own update set, and you should capture your all the customization under that update set. Okay.
Okay.
So let's create first your update set, then and then only let's proceed with your application creation and all. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So to create any update set, you require to find. You require to search update set here in left navigation. Under that, you will see the different options. Update source is nothing but I'm going to tell you the um, reason of different links. Modules here, but as in current scope, we are going to create only one update set. Thereafter, in future, I'm going to cover this application. Okay.
Okay.
But as of now, we have only one requirement, like we need to create our update set. So you could see only one update set is created till now, and which is nothing but is of out of box, which is nothing but default one. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So to do any customization, you require to create new update set, right? So
Mm-hmm.
let's what do you want to give name to this update set?
My update set. So this update set will be used for all the applications that we are creating, right?
Yeah, whatever the customization you are going to do going forward, it will be captured in this update set, and thereafter once we're done with one application, I'll show you how to move that update set to other instance. I'll be creating one instance to show that particular stuff. Okay.
Okay.
So under update set, you will see the different fields, like name will be there, state will be there. You don't have to care about release date. Okay. It will be automatic. You don't require to do that. And in description, why description field is there? In order to describe what are the changes are there in your update set. Okay.
Okay.
And once you hit on submit button, it will store that update set, but it will not set your update set as a current update set. Then you require to explicitly go there in update set. Then you require to choose that as my current update set. Okay. And now other button is there, submit and make current. That means this button will
this will be the default update set then.
This will make you this button will make this newly created update set as the default update set for your ID. Okay. Yes. So that whenever you are doing any customization, those customization will be captured in your own update set. Okay.
Yes.
So thereafter, you could see here under state, you will find 3 states called in progress, complete, and ignore. Okay. So in progress, in the sense that the update set is open and you are working on that. Number of customization are getting captured in that particular update set.
Okay.
Okay. Complete in the sense you have done with all the customization, and now what you want to do? You want to move that update set from one instance to other instance. From dev instance to test instance, or might be from test or wherever you want to move that customization. Okay. That means whenever you want to move any update set to other instance, you need to change state to complete first. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
So that's the first step. And let's say for just testing purpose or for R&D purpose, you are doing some customization, and you want to capture those changes in your update set, and you don't want you don't want to move that update set to other instance. Even let's say there might be case happen, right? Like you don't want to move those changes to other instance, but accidentally you might move those changes to other instance, right? So avoid that kind of accident. We have another state called ignore. Okay, ignore in the sense what it will do, it will suggest you like these are the things and these are the changes that you don't want to move to other instance. Okay. So this will work like this. So initial state will be in progress. That means you are working on this. Okay. And submit and make current. You understood those concepts, right?
Yes.
Okay, so you understood the concept of mapped dataset. So now you can see mapped